In this quick tutorial, we'll build a detailed, drilled-down view of a summary report using a side panel. Side panels in Acumatica provide a convenient pull-out view of another screen in the system. This can be another generic inquiry, a data entry screen, a report or form, or even a dashboard. Let's start by creating a generic inquiry that shows open quantities on sales order lines. Our goal in this report is to see the open quantities for every item across all open sales orders. Let's give our generic inquiry a name. Next, we're going to publish it to the user interface. We're going to copy the access rights from the sales order screen. Now we're going to start adding our data sources. We're going to start by adding the SO order table, and we're going to connect that to the SO line table. We're going to connect to the order type and order number fields. We're also going to connect to the inventory item table. And we're just going to connect to the inventory ID to inventory ID. Now we're going to start adding fields to the grid. We're going to add in our inventory code description. We're going to add open quantity from the sales order line. We're also going to add order quantity. We're also going to add order type, as well as order number. We're also going to add the status field. We're going to add some total aggregate functions to the two quantity fields. We'll see what that does in a bit. We're going to add a condition. We're going to only show lines where the open quantity is greater than 0. There are two ways you can preview your inquiry. You can click on the side panel to view your inquiry, but you can also click on the View Inquiry button. Now that we have our side panel created, we're now going to make a copy of this generic inquiry and create our summary report. We're going to give it a similar name to our side panel. We're going to paste it, and we're just going to name the summary report the title that we want. We're going to add grouping. We're going to group by the item code. We're also going to turn off these three fields because we don't need these in the summary report. We're also going to add an aggregate function. This is going to sum up the quantity fields so that we get a total across all orders. Now we're going to add the side panel to the summary report. We're going to change the window mode to side panel. We're going to connect the inventory code to inventory code. We can give the side panel an icon. And we can also give it a custom title. We now have a report that totals all the quantity across all orders, and we have a side panel to drill into the total and see what orders make up that total. Thank you for watching.